Today we gotta go on a slightly annoying adventure. Alright, hey everybody. So, as you may notice, we're in a different car today. Thank you for the pan. Unfortunately, Stitch got hit really bad, and I throw up a couple photos. And the other guy's insurance has totaled him out. So I have to get a new car. Luckily, Geico gave me a rental, but I am on my way to go pick up the new loan check so we can go get myself a new vehicle. No matter how nice this Elantra is, it is a 2017, 2018, something like that. There's like 1,000,007 buttons on the steering wheel and everything. Here, check it out. Like, I don't even know what I'm looking at over here. It's absolutely ridiculous. I don't, whatever. But no matter how nice it is not my sports car. So I'm very sad. And we're on our way to go pick up a check so I can go pick up a new car here, hopefully post haste. Oh, and by the way, did I mention that my bank, the nearest branch is about an hour away, so it really is an adventure just going to the bank. Yeah, by the way, honey, it is not lost on me that your car is the car that smashed my car.
Look, it wasn't my fault.
Yes, it was. All your fault. Malibu suck. I hate them.
Oh, shush. I can't apologize for every driver that drives a Malibu. Okay, I'm a good driver.
Okay, fine, I guess. But still, Malibus suck and I hate them. And your seat's all wonky. You gotta sit like this when you're driving. Gives you a gangsta lean.
My car's still running.
Alright, let's go get a loan.
A few moments later.
Oh. Safekeeping. Well, today I learned that Missouri dealerships are only open till like 3 and then they're closed on Sundays, so we have to wait for another day. It's now Tuesday and we're gonna go pick up my car. Here to say goodbye to the car. Alright, I got my check from the auto body place. Now I gotta run around back and go see the car one last time. Oh, I see her. I see her. Oh, rained on inches. Ooh, make the turn. There we go. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. So one last quick chat in the car. I'm gonna miss her. This is the last time you'll see this red leather upholstery. I'm here to pick up the girl at her place of work. Ooh, worky worky nice. And we're gonna go have a bit of a road trip here because this car that I want to pick up is all the way out halfway across the state. All right, so let's go. So an hour ago it was sunny. It is now snowing. Look at me. Look outside. It's freaking snowing. Ridiculous. Snowing on a pee break. Alright, onward. So, yeah, before it gets dark, I kinda did a thing. It's still blue. It's still blue. We'll show you when we get home.
One eternity later.
The past couple of weeks has mostly been working on the car, you know, just getting it up to spec, getting it to where I'm not concerned about anything. I've been doing things like reinforcing the strut towers. Brake jobs. New brake pads. Ooh. Changing the oil. Black as midnight. Isn't that sexy? Okay, I'm here for an inspection and alignment check. And that way I can get the car registered. Alright, back in the car. So next step, at the county tax assessor's office, gotta get stuff done so I can get the car tagged. Looks super interesting, doesn't it? And we're out. We've got the assessment thing, and now I'm headed over to the DMV. Which is either 2 blocks down or back by my house. I don't know which I want to do. Okay, I think I'm going to the one in Bridgeton, so let's roll. Okay, at the licensing office now, so we can get the car tagged. Car wash right before it rains. So it's finally stopped raining long enough, and snowing and all that crap. You can see it's everywhere, but yeah, check it out. So yeah, it's kind of a small car. It's not much bigger than my motorcycle, honestly. But yeah, 1.8 liter turbocharged inline 4. It's a fun little toy. And my neighbors, of course, are looking at me like I'm crazy. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today. So if you like what I'm doing, go ahead and leave me a like down below. And if you want to see my videos as they come out, go ahead and click that subscribe button over here somewhere. That should help me out a lot too. That's all for today, so I'll see all you guys and gals on the flip side.